In this video, we will discuss our custom spreadsheet export functionality. Every organization is unique and has specific requirements for exporting volunteer records. This tool allows for the creation of custom exports to meet those needs. Whether you're exporting information to your donor management database or for a marketing campaign, you can create saved profiles for easy access to the different ways you want to use your data outside of CERVIS. You will find the option to create a new custom spreadsheet or use one that was created previously in the volunteer database by clicking on Search Manage Volunteer Database from the main dashboard. After you perform a search from this menu or the advanced search, you can select Download Volunteer Spreadsheet from the Volunteer Management Bulk Actions menu, and then click the corresponding button. There are two built-in spreadsheet options available to you: a basic contact info spreadsheet and a full spreadsheet. The basic export will simply include the volunteer's name, email, phone number, and address, whereas the full export will download all of the volunteer profile information you have, including but not limited to items like the date they last accepted your terms and conditions, attributes associated with their profile, and their lifetime volunteer hours. To create a new custom export from this menu, click the Add New Custom Spreadsheet or Export Profile from the drop-down, and you'll be taken into the menu to customize your export. First, name your report, then choose if you would like for it to be private, only for your use, or shared with other staff members. Next, choose the fields to include in your export using the checkboxes next to each field. Then you can order the data in the way you want them to appear by dragging and dropping the fields to their proper placement. Once you're happy with the setup, click the Save Custom Spreadsheet or Export button. Your new profile will now be listed in the dropdown along with the two built-in options. You can update an existing custom profile by selecting it and clicking the Update button. From here, just like when a new export profile is created, you can modify the name, the type, any of the fields included, and the order of those fields in the spreadsheet. When you're done, click Update Custom Spreadsheet or Export at the bottom of the page to save your changes. If there's a report you no longer need, you can delete it by selecting it from the dropdown and clicking the Trash Can button to the right. You'll be taken to a page to review the export profile you're looking to delete, and you can scroll to the bottom and click the Delete Custom Spreadsheet Export button to confirm its removal. To run one of the built-in spreadsheets or a custom export you've created, search for and select the volunteers that you would like to include, select Download Volunteer Spreadsheet from the Volunteer Management Bulk Actions menu, then click the corresponding button. Select the profile you'd like to use and click Download. The spreadsheet download will start and the file will have the name of the export profile.